Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to fix Whirlpool dryer F1 error code. So guys, this error code means a main control board failure. So usually it is a bad relay or internal short. So first disconnect the dryer from the power outlet to avoid electrical shock, and just simply remove the top panel and locate the electronic control board near the top rear and look for damaged components or loose connections. And if you see visible damage, the board needs replacement. Now you could also leave the dryer unplugged for 5 to 10 minutes and plug it back in to check if the error clears, and this may work for minor glitches. Now guys, if any of these doesn't work, just simply go ahead and buy a new replacement or call for a qualified technician. There you go. See ya.